guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. It's Poonam here. So today Oh, wait, what's happening? So my mom took over my YouTube channel and let's see what she has got. So are you guys super excited for Mother's Day and planning something special? No, this video isn't a one-not-one guide to surprise your mom this Mother's Day, but my mom made this video, I made the video and my mom made a super cute and amazing DIY mat. Basically, I'll be doing a voiceover for her, so all the credit goes to her. Look at those vibrant colors. Have you imagined your mat to be this vibrant and colorful looking? Now you get to know from where I get those creative ideas. So let's get into the steps. To create this DIY mat, all you will need is a large rectangular or a square shaped cloth for your base, because you would be stitching pieces of cloth on it. Okay, did I just say stitching? Yes, you heard that right. If you know how to stitch or use a stitching machine, then you can create this DIY easily. Or you can also use a fabric glue to glue all the pieces together, but mind you, it won't last long. You would also require pieces of cloth. Now you can borrow them from your tailor or you can just steal from them. Lol, you can also use your old cloth for this DIY. So take the pieces and cut them into small rectangular shape just like my mom is doing. So you would require a lot of cloth for your first base. Prepare some more few pieces of rectangle. You don't have to be specific about the colors. You can just go with any color that you like. Also, you don't have to worry about the color of thread that you are using because it's a DIY project. Best out of ways, so let's get the best. Now turn the large rectangular base cloth upside down and take your first piece of small rectangular or square shaped cloth and make an aeroplane out of it in like triangular shape, just like we used to do in our art class. So once it is done, place the pieces upon the base cloth and start stitching. Place another piece and stitch it together side by side. Repeat the same steps until you reach the first corner. Now rotate the base cloth and then repeat the same steps. Place the piece and stitch. This is how it looks. Looks good so far. Once you are done, then stitch some more to make it stronger. Yes, see that demonstration. Now for the second layer, repeat the same steps by placing the pieces in between the first layer, like creating a mountain. Now here's another easy way. Create the aeroplane shaped triangular piece and keep it aside so that it becomes easy to stitch. And then stitch. To make the mat more secure, stitch it 3 times and it will last like for 100 years. Did you see those glittery nails? It's the same glitter polish I used in my previous video. So do check it out and I'll put the link in the description box below. Do the same steps till you reach the end. Now notice the inner space being filled out by those triangular colorful pieces. It looks so vibrant and colorful. And if you're wondering what kind of machine she is using, then it's a Singer machine, one of the most popular brand, and it's the old one, yet works like a charm. This video is so satisfying to watch, isn't it? When you reach the end or in the middle, finish it by adding a larger piece of cloth to cover the middle portion and stitch it in all directions to make it stronger. I am so in love with this DIY. No doubt it takes time, but the finished product looks amazing. So here's the step-by-step progress of the mat. Isn't it amazing? and looks so beautiful, made by my talented mom. So here's the collection that she has made. It took 2 to 3 days to complete one mat, and it looks so amazing at your doorsteps. The colors are vibrant and makes you happy. Before I show you all my mom's creations, see the amount of time and work it takes to create this piece. The finished product looks so amazing. It moreover brightens up your house. By the way, if you want one of these for your home, then let me know. Isn't this amazing way to use your old cloth and brighten up your home? Hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share it and let the world know about this DIY. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.